Let's say you're closing for the holidays. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the listing editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace. From the dashboard, click on Listings on the left sidebar menu. Next, click on My Templates and look for the announcement template. Click Create Listing to open up the listing editor. Step 2. Add basic announcement details. For the title, write something like Holiday Closure Announcement. In the description, you can let your customers know when you'll be closed, such as we will be closed for the holidays from December 24th to December 27th. Wishing you a joyful holiday season. Step 3. Add images. Click on the Images tab and upload a festive image like a holiday themed picture or a cooking related image with a holiday message to make the announcement fun and festive. Step 4. Schedule the announcement. Now, let's schedule it. Head over to the Time Slot tab and select the dates when the announcement should be displayed. For the holiday closure, you'd pick from December 24th to December 27th. Click Save to confirm the dates. And that's it! Your holiday closure announcement is now live in your Occasion workspace.